Hello, this is English for Construction. Let's begin. Side safety.
Harness.
Harness. A piece of equipment including straps for fastening it, used to control an animal such as a horse or attach it to a load to be pulled, or a set of straps used to hold a person in place. You should wear a safety harness while working.
Mask.
Mask. A covering for all or part of the face, worn for protection or to hide the face. Always wear a dust mask when using a sander to prevent inhalation of sawdust. Ear protection. Devices such as ear muffs or ear plugs that reduce the intensity of the noise entering your ear. To protect your ears, you should have to wear ear protection whenever you explode something. Glove. A covering for the hand and wrist, with separate parts for the thumb and each finger that provides warmth or protection. Before winter, you should buy a pair of gloves to keep your hands warm. Protective clothing, used to protection against health and safety hazards. Without protective clothing, you'll be fined. Harness. Mask. Ear protection. Glove. Protective clothing. You should wear a safety harness while working. Always wear a dust mask when using a sander to prevent inhalation of sawdust. To protect your ears, you have to wear ear protection whenever you explode something. Before winter, you should buy a pair of gloves to keep your hands warm. Without protective clothing, you'll be fined. Okay? Remember to watch this video again and again and again and share with your friends, then improve together. And click subscribe button below to learn more about English for construction. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Bye-bye.